Hello guys, this is Tawhid. Thanks for watching my previous videos and welcome back to Empty Strives. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make very simple animation for social media lawyer third. Let's start the work. In my last video, I asked you to find 5 eggs and mention the seconds in comment section. My wife found the correct seconds and told me before all, but she is not the applicable person to play this game. Sorry my dear. By the way, only one person from my subscriber found the correct seconds and mentioned it in a comment. So this is the comments and announcing this subscriber as a winner. Funny thing, he counted the example egg too. That's why 6 coming. Okay, in the beginning, once you open the untitled project, come bottom right corner, click on the settings, project settings, and change the timeline frame rate from 24 to 30. Also the playback frame rate to 30 and click save. Then bring the fusion composition. For that, in effects library, effects, and then fusion composition, bring that to the timeline. Click on this. In default 5 second is there, so that much is not needed for me, so I'm making for 4 seconds. You can change it by right click on it and click change clip duration and change from 5 to 4. That is depend on the project, so for me is 4 second is enough. Okay, now come to the fusion tab. Now bring the social media logos. I have downloaded already and I will put the link in the description. You can download it. So bring it here. I selected all the logos, copy and paste it here in media pool. So it is added now. Here we will create a rectangle with a blurred interface. For that, bring the rectangle and background and change the background color to white. Connect this rectangle to background. Click on this right view of background. So this is the rectangle and we'll change the size of rectangle. Click on it and here with the size we can increase till this guide. If you are not watching this guides, you can right click guides and click show guides, so it will come here. For the alignment we can easily do it. So it is done now. Change the width to 0.8, height make it as it is in default. So corner radius will change it to 0.35. Okay, this is good. Now we'll change it to blur interface. For that, bring this level to make it 0.15. Okay, this looks good now. Now we will do the animation for this rectangle. So come to the frame rate 5 and click frame rate for height and reduce it to 0 and come to the frame rate to 20. Bring the size to 5. You can see now still it is coming like this. So here in frame rate 20, in width create a new keyframe here and reduce the size to 0.01. So you can see now from frame rate 5 to 20 the height will increase. Then make it 20 to 25, another keyframe as same like this for only width. Click on it and from 25 to 40 increase the width to 0.8. You can see now from the beginning frame rate 5 to 20 the height will increase and 20 to 25 everything will be normal and 25 to 40 the width will be expanded. So you can see now from 5 to 40 in a second this will happen. Okay, we'll do this smooth animation for this rectangle. Click on this rectangle and click spline window, click inside and click F4 on keyboard. Select this rectangle one width and height. One by one we'll do. So click on width first, uncheck the height and click fit button, click Ctrl A and click F as in France. So flat smooth will happen like this. Uncheck the width and come to the height, click the fit button, click inside and Ctrl A on keyboard. Now press F as in France for flat smooth. Okay, close this spline window. You can see now the smooth animation for this rectangle expanding. Okay, good. Now create a new text which is going to show on the top of this blurred interface. That is follow me on social media. That is depend on you. The whatever you like, you can put it. So just bring the text node here and merge this output of text to background one output. Click on this merge and click on this text. Come over here in the inspector tab, follow me on social media and change the font size. I like to use just medium. Okay, medium is good. Now bring this to up to show this. Okay, this one is good. Now we'll do the animation for this text. How mean you can see for the rectangle in the frame rate 40 totally will be expanded, even for the height and width from 25 to 40 it is happening. So the same thing should happen for this text also. So we'll do create a keyframe in the right on. Come over here, click on this keyframe for a frame rate 40, click on it and come to the frame rate 30, make this okay starting point to 0.5, bring this endpoint to 0.5. So you can see now from 30 to 40 this text animation also will happen. We'll do the smooth animation for this text. Click on this text and come to this spline window, click inside anywhere and click F4 and check this rectangle. We have done already, that's why. Now come to the text, click on both and click the fit button. You can see this is the midpoint and it is expanding end and start. So click inside anywhere and click Ctrl plus A on keyboard and click F for flat smooth. That's it. Close this spline window and come over here. You can see 5 to 15 the height is expanding and 15 to 40 both the text and background layer fully expanded. Now we'll create the Facebook logo first. Bring it here and click on this right view towards here. You can see this is very large one. So click on this media in and click this transform. Again come to this right view, click on it and bring this transform output to merge one output. Bring it over here and click on right view. You can see this much height is. So click on this transform to reduce the size. You cannot do it in media directly. So for the support you need the transform node. That's what I brought it. So click on this transform and reduce the size to make it little bit. Okay, 0.075. Okay, this one is looks good and bring this to this place. You can see here it's a checked one. We can easily adapt it. It looks okay. Now we'll do the animation for this Facebook logo. Click on this transform again and till 40 you can see this text and background layer expanded and come over here 45, reduce the size totally. Note it down, the 0.075 is the correct size should come. Right now make it 0 and click on keyframe here and come over to the 60 frame rate and create a size 0.075. So you can see now till 45 the logo will be invisible and 45 to 60 it will visible. The same thing will make it for rotation. So here you can see the angle. click on the keyframe in the frame rate 60 for angle and come over here for 45 and change the degree 360. So you can see how it is going backward. So we can change it to instead of minus plus. So we can see here now from 45 to 60 it is coming correctly. When we play it looks like a normal one. I just want to make it as a fast rotation. For that we'll do like this. Come over to the frame rate 60 to view the Facebook logo. Select this media and transform nodes to over here and click on this transform and select control plus space bar. Here bring the directional blur. It will make us to the rotation to be fast. Click on this directional blur. Come over here in the inspector tab in the type from linear to make it centered. So length slightly reduce it 0.3, make it 0.25, no need, make it 0.35. This looks good. And come to the frame rate of 55, click on this length keyframe and frame rate 60, make this to default. By clicking this little bit dot it will come to the 0. So you can see now from 45 to 60 this rotation will happen with fast rotation. The directional blur will make us to view. If you want to make more rotation you can make it. Come to the transform node, click on it and here 360 plus 360 720, enter. You can see now there will be a more rotation. In the 60 it will come to the correct position of this layer. So we'll do the smooth animation for this Facebook logo. Click on this spline window, click inside anywhere and click F4, uncheck this text one and we'll do one by one. So we'll start from the directional blur. Okay, click inside anywhere and click fit button, again click anywhere inside and click Ctrl plus A and select F for flat smooth. Okay, now uncheck the directional blur. Come over here for transform. One by one we'll do. We'll start from the size. So uncheck the angle. Click on the fit button. Click anywhere inside and select Ctrl plus A and click F for flat smooth. Uncheck the size. Click angle. Again click fit button. Click inside anywhere. Select Ctrl plus A and click F to flat smooth. Close this spline window and view now from 45 to 60. This logo will be set. Now we will bring the text node again to create a user ID for this Facebook account. So first we'll bring the background and rectangle, then text node and merge. This text node should be on the foreground. Connect that text output to merge foreground and background output to merge background. Click on this merge right view, click on this merge and come over here in the inspector tab from operator over to in and click on this text and in the text create your user ID. Now connect this merge output to merge to output. Bring over here, click on right view, you can see now, and click on this merge 3 and click transform node also. So when we click a transform node we can bring this text to anywhere. If we move merge, only text will move, the rectangle will be in the same place, and if we move somewhere outside of the rectangle it will go invisible. That's why. So come to this rectangle and make the size same as this. Okay, this is what, if you click transform node, this rectangle and text all we can move the position anywhere through this transform node. So click this transform node and bring this text to here. So change the text font from Open Sans to, as usual, Jost for me. Regular is good. We'll increase the size from 0.08 to 1 is not good. So 0.09. Okay, this looks good now. Click on this transform again and make this position to correct. Okay, it looks good now. Now we'll do the animation for this text. Just click on this text to, so till 60 this Facebook logo will appear, and then make this text animation from 65 to 80 it should happen. Okay, so click on this text to, come over here, inspector tab, and click layout and bring this center point X to outside of this rectangle. Click on this keyframe, and in the 80 frame rate it will come to the correct position, so 0.5. so it is happening. So 65 to 80, you can see here there is a problem. The letter comes over the logo, so we can easily finish it out. Come to the 80 and click on this rectangle node. Here this is the problem. Just reduce the size or bring this right arrow. Okay, this is good. It is finished now. You can see here in the text node again, it should bounce from the right side to exact position. From 65 to 80 it comes to the exact position. I'm gonna make it 65 to 75. This text should come like this, and 75 to 80 to the correct position will come. Okay, 65 to 75, like this it will come, like bouncing from right side to correct position. Okay, we'll do the smooth animation so it will be better. Click on this spline window, click somewhere inside and click F4 to expand it, and uncheck this transform node, and here text node, second text we are going to do. Click on this fit button, click Ctrl A to select all, and click F to flat smooth. Close this spline window. From the beginning you can see from 5 to 20 the height will increase, and 20 to 25 it should be stable, and 25 to 40 this text and the background layer will be expanded, and 40 to 45 nothing will happen, and 45 to 60 this logo will appear, and then 60 to 65 nothing will happen, and 65 to 80 this text will come. That's it. Now another three logos we can create easily with this notes which we created for Facebook. Okay, nothing. OMG, I need to change the my name. I missed the T. It's okay. And select this all except this merge, copy and click somewhere above and paste it, and bring this here. Connect this directional blur output to merge for output. Bring over here the same thing for transform to output to merge 5 output. Bring over here, click on this right view, delete this media in which we copied, which we pasted here, and bring this another logo here. Connect this logo to the transform. You can see here now, and click on this text to change the user. Click here, and now come to this transform here and bring this user to right side. One by one you have to do, keep it as it is. Now come to this media in transform and bring this logo for next thing, and again come to the transform node for text. Bring this to here and make sure the rectangle is correctly set or not. See, it is over the logo, so make it is okay now. The same thing you can make it for another logo. We'll copy this and paste it over here. Connect this direction blur output to merge 6 and transform to next one output to merge 7 output. Click on right view, change this third one, delete this and bring the another one Twitter. Connect this logo to here. So for me, other than Facebook, all the users are same. So I want to change empty strives 1 to empty strives. Click on here. Now come to this media in transform node. Bring this. Okay, and click on this text. We change it to empty strives and click on this transform node of text. Again, bring that to bottom side. So you can see now it is okay. And make sure again the rectangle is not above the logo. This is okay now. Even you can copy the above thing. These nodes we have created already, so we can copy this and paste it above and bring this directional blur output to merge 8 output and transform to for new text this output to merge 9 output and click on this right view. Here delete this media in and bring the another social media logo. Connect this output to transform node. Here you can see, click on this transform node and bring this over here. Okay, now click on this text to make sure your ID is correct or not. Okay, it is correct, and come over the transform node and bring this user to right side. Okay, and come to the rectangle again to make sure it is not above the logo. Okay, this looks good now. So when we check, see all the logo will be rotated till 60 and from 65 to 80 this user will be displayed. Okay, at last click on this merge turn and click transform and bring this media out to up and connect this transform output to media output. Click on this right view. Here this transform node, all the things you can make the resize or position whatever. I'll show you how. If you click this transform, you can keep it anywhere in the video like this or here or center, anywhere. Make it a control Z. Okay, come to the edit tab now. You can view here. Click on this fusion composition, copy and make sure this timeline to end of this fusion composition and click Ctrl V to paste it. Here right click and click a new compound clip and create. Then again right click in the change clip speed, select reverse speed and make it change only for this compound clip. So you can see now this visible happen and then this closing will happen. That's it guys. If you want to export this, again click both or Ctrl A, right click and make it a new compound clip. Make it in a single box like that it is, and come to this deliver tab here and make sure it should be individual clips. Click on it and in browse click somewhere the folder where you want to export it. I'll keep it in a desktop. Select folder and change the file name as a social media. Okay, here in the QuickTime format. Okay, and here codec, select the grass valley and make sure this export alpha should be selected. And here in the audio we are not adding any audio in this file, so uncheck this. The file we have created all the things here, so nothing else. And click add to render queue and click start render. It will take some time to complete it. Once done, you can copy that file to any file. That means image file or video, wherever you can keep it and use it. Thanks once again guys for watching this video. Keep supporting my channel for upcoming videos and don't forget to click the bell button to get video notifications. I reached 40 subscribers before this video. I really appreciated it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section to improve my video quality. Like and share to your friends circle, man. Follow my social media accounts for further updates. See you on next video. Have a good day.